Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready, open Photos and pick the image you want to improve. Tap Edit to access all controls. This is where you'll work, so skip settings and start now. If your shot is live, portrait, or raw, enable that mode first because it changes available tools and preserves detail. You'll want the original backed up. Make a duplicate if you plan heavy changes. This initial step sets quality and options. So choose the right file and enter Edit without delay to begin adjusting exposure, crop, and tone. Now get into the detailed work. Start with Auto to learn what changes help, then switch to Manual to tweak exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows for balance. Crop and straighten to improve composition. Try 16, 9, or square for different platforms. Once framing is set, refine with filters, sharpness, noise reduction, and portrait lighting if available to sculpt subject emphasis. Make small moves and preview often. You'll see why subtle adjustments keep skin tones natural and preserve highlight detail, while improving perceived. Finish by reviewing at full screen, then tap Done to commit changes. If you want to keep the original, duplicate before heavy edits so you can export variants. Share directly from Photos to Messages, Mail, or save as a copy for apps that require JPEG or PNG. If something goes wrong, edits not saving or missing tools, make sure iCloud Photos is syncing and you have storage space, restart the Photos app, or reboot the phone. These quick fixes resolve most sync and saving issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.